This right here is a volumetric filler, and it was made by Volumetric for a customer's product. And when you work with a manufacturer like Volumetric of quality, you're gonna get quality. Each one of these parts have a quick disconnect on it to get to the ports easily and accessible. And then it also has a shaft for the actual product mixing. So this whole machine does about 30 gallons of product and then spits out the finished goods. So this is the mixing mechanism for a cold mix on a product. It's an oil-based product. And then this down here is gonna be the filling mechanism. Just like we showed you on the on the other filler, but we're gonna talk about quality. If you can see the shielding on everything, it's all stainless. Nothing's plated, nothing's cheated. This machine does run on electricity because it has a very aggressive motor for its shear mixing. But outside of that, the actual dispenser and filler runs on air pressure. So what's nice about this is they got a cam lock system for their actual cylinder. So when you're ready to clean it, guys, you remember I showed you all those silly bolts? You don't have to do that. You literally turn this and it comes into line and you pull out. Now, I'll take it further. The design on the piston's rear wall has a little indentation, and then on the end of this, there's a little clevis hook that then just slides right into place, and that allows the stroking to begin. So this is really easy to dismantle. Now, your rotating valve, that is a nightmare to get to, and I showed you all those screws before on the other machine. On this machine here, you're literally gonna lift this gate and you're gonna pull out the whole rotating valve. And that's the quality difference. Let's take it back to here now. We have an accurate measuring device, plus or minus a milliliter. So this will get varied in per spec on the bottle that we choose to run, and then it'll start processing. So what you don't see with this setup is the other end, the filling neck, the plunger mechanism. That plunger is going to be that final metering checkpoint, and then that drop point to make sure I don't make a big mess all over the place. So this is air pressure as well. You're going to want to run a regulator to it. It does have a built-in regulator on this machine. When you're talking about machinery like this, you are talking quite a bit more substantially in cost, but you pay what you get for it, and you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. And so when you purchase something like this, it's an investment that you'll have for the future. So when you're spending $10,000 to $20,000 on a filler like this that has your mixing capability in mind, you need to realize it's quality. It's a one-time investment that will hopefully pay for itself over time, and you don't have the crazy clean down procedures that you would have with a foreign machine or a substandard machine that then would have you an extra hour into your processing time and cleaning. It's just unneeded. So you have to weigh that, and you have to weigh your time at the end of the day too. What is worth it to you?